Stokes is the hero.
Oh, yeah! This is off the chart. We talked about both of them yesterday. And now Ben Stokes mirrored him with the bat. Now he's doing it with the ball.
There it is. Fantastic moment for Ben Stokes. A seam-stealing, scintillating 100. And what's more, it's the fastest Test 100 ever made at Lord's. In 85 balls. He has pulverised the New Zealand bowlers.